Hey everybody, Jeremy here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to install vent visors. Whether you want to add a touch of style to the exterior of your vehicle or have a way to crack your windows without fear of precipitation getting in, vent visors are an inexpensive way to improve your ride. These visors are designed specifically for each vehicle model, but once you find the ones made for your vehicle, the procedure will be similar to what I'll be showing on this 2013 Yukon. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional in your area. You'll notice most vent visors have a strip of adhesive down the length of them that's protected by a ribbon. Before removing the ribbon, place the visors on your doors where they'll be attached to make sure the fit is right. Once you've determined they're the right fit, choose the visor you'll attach first and use one of the alcohol swabs that are included to clean the area of the door where the visor will be attached. If your kit didn't include alcohol swabs, use isopropyl alcohol on a shop towel to clean the area. After using the alcohol, peel back a few inches of the protective ribbon at both ends of the visor. Some visors like this one have a tab at one end that can be removed. That exposed adhesive at the ends of the visor will allow you to attach it to the door. Make sure you leave the ends of the protective ribbon out when you place the visor. Take one end of the tape and slowly peel it from between the visor and the door. Once the ribbon has been completely removed, press the visor against the door from one end to the other to make sure it's attached flat against the door. You can use a towel to make this smoother and easier. Repeat these steps for each visor you're installing. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.